What's up, everybody? Sean Profera here with Mac Papers and Packaging, back again with another Mac Knows. And today we're going to touch on something that you might not think right off the bat to consider when buying new equipment, and that's the warranty. What's covered? What's not covered? Well, it's really important to have that peace of mind while you're initially getting set up with this equipment. How long can you go without having to pay out of pocket for maybe any repairs or expenses when it comes to your printer being down? Downtime is very important. We don't want any of that. This is printers making you money, so we don't want you to have any of that downtime. So having a warranty typically will cover an immediate response and actually will put you to the top of the line when we're looking at service. So what's covered? Well, typically that can vary from model to model. So we're looking at printheads, we're looking at circuit boards, anything that the ink touches. So that, again, that can vary between different pieces of equipment, so it's important to understand exactly what might be covered. The printheads themselves, something that's kind of a wear and tear item. That ink is kind of harsh a lot of times and might only last a year, sometimes maybe only 6 months. So you want to make sure and you understand exactly how many of those are covered and how long you're covered. Well, that brings me to my point of an extended warranty. Is this something I should really look into? Is it kind of a scam like a car warranty or something like that? Well, with equipment like this, it very well could be very beneficial. So a warranty sometimes, just to extend that for an additional year, could be the same price or even less sometimes than just one initial out-of-pocket service call when you're not under warranty. So it's very important, again, to understand exactly what's covered and what's not covered. And a Mac Papers specialist or rep could definitely help you understand what is covered prior to you purchasing this equipment.